Hi, everyone. Thanks for logging on to WBIR.com. Get out and enjoy the sunshine and the beautiful 60s to even 70s today, tomorrow. The weekend's not a washout either. It looks like we'll have more clouds than sunshine over the weekend, but temperatures stay nice and pleasant in the mid-60s. Today's forecast, increase in high pressure as our low pressure system moves its way on out, taking the clouds with it. We're still going to be on the mild side, though, across the Appalachian region with some mid to upper 70s. Outside of that, that is some fantastic weather. We're staying rain-free all the way through Sunday morning, Sunday into Monday. We're tracking a cold front. That brings us increasing rain chances as that cold front comes in out of the upper Midwest and the Great Plains. Right now, it looks like late in the day on Sunday will bring us the rain, and it's slowed down a little bit as well, so make sure you check back in. But it looks like we'll start Monday morning out on the soggy side, falling temperatures throughout the day. So while we're forecasting highs in the mid-50s on into our Monday, we'll probably be in the early morning hours and then drop into the 40s during the day. Another cold front brings us more rain, so rainfall totals next week 1 to 2 inches. Another great reason to get out and enjoy the sunshine in the 60s. Get those leaves off the grass as well. Have a great day. Thanks for logging on.